Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to change out your indicator light bulb on your 2016 Kia Soul. Okay. Alright, if you come in the back of the light housing right here, you just give it a little twist like this, turn it clockwise, and this is it right here. It's not connected to any wires because these new cars, as you can see, it has it's in this socket here, and in here this there's connection right here. So when you put this in like this, it gets connection right there and it lights up. So there's no wires holding it. That's how you change it. Very simple to do. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, leave a comment, subscribe to see more videos, and thanks for watching. That's the passenger side. Driver side is the same right here.